Now our next topic is generations of computer. So our next topic is let's study the term generation is used for different advancements and discoveries in computer technology. First we should know what is generation. Generation is the advancement of anything. Let's see with an example. We human beings also have the generation. Like before we were child and we have parents, and our parents also have parents, and those parents are our grandfather and grandmother, and our grandmother and grandfather are also have their parents. So this is called the generation. Like this is the generation. Now we are going to study generation of computers. The term generation, this is the advancement, this is the new comings of new technologies, new changes that comes after modification. This is called the advancement and discoveries in digital world. This is called generation. Generation of computer have been divided into 5 levels. So these generations are divided into 5 levels. There are 5 levels of generations in this computer technology. So let's read about these 5 levels. So in the first generation, we will see in the first generation of computer, when the computer came into existence, when the computer started, computers were very big, very large, and it takes a big place, and it produces very much heat. It needs lots of hard working, lots of people to work on it. So in this first generation, the main thing used in the computer was vacuum tubes. What are the main things that was used, that came in existence in the first generation? That was the vacuum tube. And this first generation were from 1940 to 1956. Please note down this in your book or notebook somewhere, that you don't forget, and learn it and read it. The first generation, the main thing were used in the computer technology was the vacuum tubes. The computers were very big, large in size, produce much heat, and it takes big place with lots of people to work on it. In second generation, the technology that came was the transistor. Transistors were invented, that come into existence after vacuum tubes. This was the great invention after vacuum tubes that come in existence, that made the computer work more easier than the first generation. And this was from 1956 to 1963. Again I am saying, children, please note down these years. These were not mentioned in your book, so note it down for your further understanding and learning. Now in third generation, integrated circuits. In third generation were integrated circuits. And these integrated circuits were from 1964 to 1971. These integrated circuits are also known as ICs. These ICs are very small in size, and they are now also used in all electronic devices like TVs and all other devices, refrigerators and stabilizer, etc. and different mechanical things. ICs are used. These are very small in size, and this helps the computer and different machines work faster than ever before, and it does not produce much heat. So our third generation was the integrated circuit that came in existence from 1964 to 71. Now the fourth generation of computer introduces the microprocessor. Fourth generation of the computer introduced the microprocessor. It is a chip that is now used in computer device. It is available in CPU on the motherboard, that is fixed in the motherboard, and it makes the all advanced work, all the work done is controlled by this microprocessor on that chip. This chip is very useful device and is fixed on the motherboard of the CPU, and this came in existence from 1972 to 1980, and the timing was 1972 to 1980. The last and the fifth generation was the last generation of the computer, that is fifth generation, was the artificial Is it clear? Let me note it down again. Fifth generation, the technology was artificial intelligence. It was the advanced technology that nowadays we are using is the future of the computer world, is the future of the digital world, and all this was the last generation till date, and the year for this was 1980 to till date. So these were the 5 important generations that we should know in the computer, that how computer came into existence, what were the new advancements done in different years, and what were the technologies that were used in this generation. So let's discuss it once again. First generation of the computer was the vacuum tube. The technology used in the first generation was vacuum tube. The year was 1940 to 1956. In the second generation of the computers, transistors were used. These are smaller and faster than the first generation vacuum tubes and produce less heat and energy than the vacuum tubes and perform faster. The year was 1956 to 1963. The third generation of computer, the technology used for the integrated circuit, also called ICs. In short form, we called ICs. And the year was 1964 to 1971. The fourth generation of computer, microprocessor, was the technology, and this technology was very effective and very important, and it gave a good change, a good future to the computer in 1972 to 1980. This is a small chip microprocessor. It is a small chip, make the computer more efficient, faster and effective than ever before. This chip is on the motherboard of the CPU. This chip is fixed on the motherboard of the CPU, inside CPU. And the last and the fifth generation that come in the computer was artificial intelligence. It was the last, also known as AI, was from 1980 till date. It was the future of the computer world. All in this AI means artificial intelligence, all advanced work is done, all robotics, all latest technology is working on this artificial intelligence.